In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. They lost. Australian farmers, many of them ex-soldiers, watched 20,000 emus descend upon their Western Australian outback wheat crops, a feathered plague decimating livelihoods. The government deployed soldiers armed with 2 Lewis machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. They expected swift extermination, but the emus scattered unpredictably, evading sustained fire. They split into small, agile groups, weaving through the scrub. The heavy machine guns jammed repeatedly. Trucks broke down on the rough terrain. After weeks of pursuit and dwindling ammunition, the soldiers retreated, defeated. It was an official military defeat. Against flightless birds, nature had outsmarted the machine. The emus had won their war.